Tired of that same old Qrpay limit cramping your style? Let's fix that right now. First, open your Maybank app. You know the drill. That trusty orange icon is your key to financial freedom. Tap on the Qrpay icon to get started. It should be prominently displayed on the home screen. Look for a settings icon, usually represented by a gear or profile symbol, and give it a tap. This is where the magic happens. Now you will see account selection screen. Choose account that you want to use for Qrpay by tapping at the account. Find the change limit option on the settings screen. It may be labeled slightly differently, but look for anything mentioning limits, and then tap on it. Here, you can input your desired daily Qrpay limit. Carefully type in the new amount, making sure it fits your needs. Confirm your new limit. The app will likely require you to enter your TAC number or password for security purposes. And there you have it. Your Qrpay limit is now updated. Go forth and scan with confidence.